This guide shows you how to password protect a document in Word 2013. The same procedure applies for Excel 2013. This is handy if you're saving your document on a cloud service such as Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, etc., or on a USB pen drive. If the USB pen drive gets lost, then you know that the contents of your document will be safe. On the other hand, if your cloud service gets hacked into, again, it's an extra form of security the hackers need to get into anything secure. So, to do this, first of all, we need to open up Microsoft Word. So, click on the Start menu. We then need to go into All Apps or All Programs, depending on what version of Windows you're running. From the list we find Microsoft Office. So there we go, Microsoft Office 2013, and I'm going to go into Word. So click on Word. Word will now load. So I'm going to create a blank document. And what we do is we obviously write our document now if this is a brand new document, or we type in our Excel our Excel spreadsheet. So I'm just going to, like I say, create a document. So I'm just going to write this is a test. Okay. So to save it, we click on File in the top left hand corner. Click Save As. Click Browse. We give the document a name, so I'm just going to call it Secured Document. Okay, then normally here we'd click on the word Save, but before we do that we need to click on the arrow just to the right of the word Tools. Then we click General Options. We've then got two boxes that we can fill out. One is password to open and one is password to modify. Now if we wanted to put a password on the document to stop other people modifying it, we could stick a password in password to modify, but for the purpose of this document we're going to keep it simple, and we're just going to put a password on the document to stop people from opening it. Good enough for most occasions. So I click once into password for open. I type in a password. Now please bear in mind, when typing in a password, please make it as complex as possible. Never use a word from a dictionary. Use uppercase and lowercase letters, also include numbers, and as well, if you can, include punctuation like an exclamation mark or a question mark in there. Makes hackings far less likely, as it makes dictionary attacks on these sort of documents very difficult to break. So make your password, like I say, as complex as possible. So I'm just going to pop in a password. Okay, so I click OK once I've typed in my password. It'll ask me to re-enter the password again just to confirm it, so I'm just going to type it again. Type it again, click on OK, and now we can left click on the Save button. That's now been saved. I'm going to come out of Word. Okay, we're going to go back into Word again. So let's go into Word, and we're going to open up the document again as a test. And there we go, we've got unsecured unsecured document. In actual fact I've called it secured document, sorry, that's what I named it. So I'm going to click secured document, and now it's going to ask us to enter a password. Here we go, the box has appeared, enter password to open file, so I'm going to type in my password and then left click OK. And there we go, the document has opened. Now, if we've already got a document saved that isn't password protected and we want to password protect it, all we need to do is we need to just open that document. So I've already got one here that I called unsecured document, so I'm just going to open unsecured document, and it says that this is a pre-existing document. Okay, so all I now need to do is click on File, click on Save As, click Browse, and then once again, normally here I'd click Save, but we just need to click on Tools. So click on Tools and then click General Options. I then click in password to open, type in a password, my choice, again make it as complex as possible, click OK, type in the password again, click OK, and now we left click save. I'm just going to close this document down and reopen it up again and just double check that it is password protected. So it was unsecured document was the name, so I open it up and as you can see now it asks for the password. So I type in the password and click OK. And there you go, there's the document secured. Hope this helps.